Hello, everybody. My name is Paul Montin, and today I will show you how to use Postman, how to set it up, and essentially I will explain you for what it's good. So here you can type in Google GitHub Swisscom Trust Services, and we will find our Swisscom Trust Services repository. Here we have a bunch of clients and repositories which explain certain things. And we have here the IS Postman sample repository. Here we have all the Postman samples, what you need. And here we have a video on how to configure this and how to set it up. So essentially, when we start this, you see the Postman. This is a tool which you can download for free from the internet. And here, if you import the samples which are present in this repository, you see all the signing services, examples which we provide. And in order to do this, basically, you need to set Postman correctly up. So in order to do that, you have to go on the settings here. And I am scrolling currently through the video. So as you can see, you go on the settings, and then you go on general and then certificates. And basically, you have to import here your certificates which you generated before. We have here a bunch of certificates which are already imported. And here you can add your certificate. In order to do that, you just press on add. You specify the HTTP host, like in the example here, is.swisscom.com. Then essentially you have to select the previously used CRT file. There are different types of files. You can also specify a password here. So essentially you navigate where you have your CRT file, your certificate file, which we shown in a different video how to generate, then your key. Then basically it's imported here in Postman. And yes, then essentially you are ready to go after you do this. And as you can see in this video, we selected here a signing sample with timestamping. Here is the post, the endpoint. And in order to do this, we just press on send to this endpoint. So this is executed. And then basically we see here the body and also the so this is the response then. Right. One last detail which is important to mention here is that you always need the certificates to be imported in Postman or whatever tool you need in order to authenticate against our IIS service and to be able to sign correctly. That's all. Thank you very much.
La la la.